Den er så stor som en cykelventil.
Nej, den er stor der. Nu tror jeg, den kommer herop.
Mor, en isbjørn er 2 gange så stor.
Lad os gå. Baglæs.
Der var en unge. Der var en unge med den. Jo.
Hello and welcome to Bleak's Nature. I am your host, Hans Bleak. Today, polar bears. Here you see polar bears swimming, and they are becoming extinct with the global warming, and all of the places where they can actually move around are melting. And it feels like they're melting here in Central Park in 95-degree weather. So these polar bears here are in better shape than the others in the wild because they have an opportunity to be fed fish without having to hunt it themselves. We maybe take better care of the polar bears here than we do of our own people in Central Park. We ship those homeless people from Central Park and New York City, we ship them out to the tundra and leave them there instead. This is another edition of Bleak's Nature with your host, Hans Bleak, which is me.